Hello, I'm back for another product review for you today. This time about these Gustaf's Dutch licorice cats. Deliciously sweet and firm, it says. Non-GMO. Net weight 5.29 ounces. Let's see. 150 grams. It says made in the Netherlands for, I'll show you soon. And here are the nutrition facts. Let's see what they look like. There are a whole bunch of them in there. That's what they look like. Can you see it? Let's do a taste test. I'll give you one. There, have some. You're welcome. Firm, all right, like it says on the package. Just like it says on the package, deliciously sweet and firm. Let me show you the package again, what it looks like. It says Gustaf's Dutch licorice cats. Since 1876, the Gustaf's factory has produced endless varieties of licorice. Because the Dutch are such consummate connoisseurs of black licorice, Gustaf's has been fortunate enough to choose from an array of licorice recipes, from salty or sweet to firm or chewy. It's really good. These ones are firm, like I already mentioned. I'm chewing on one right now and it's so delicious and sweet. I never thought I'd like licorice again. In fact, there is no country in the world with a higher consumption of licorice than Holland. That being said, you can be assured this tasty bag of treats meets the standard of a very discerning populace. Whatever your fancy, Gustaf's will have the licorice you desire at the standard you have come to expect. Made in the Netherlands. Let me show you again. It says fresh.com. Let's see, peel the label off here a little bit to get the item number on the bag, so you know exactly which ones these are again. So, yeah, item number 319.33. Nutrition fact: serving size 40 gram, 15 pieces. Servings per bag 3.75. Amount per serving: calories 140. Total fat 0 gram, saturated fat 0 gram, trans fat 0 gram, cholesterol 0 gram, sodium 110 milligram, carbohydrates 32 gram. Dietary fibers 0 gram, sugars 21 gram, protein 2 gram, and these are the ingredients. Contains wheat and coconut, and this product also contains gelatin. Let me show you again. Cute. eat two this time for my video. I hope you enjoyed another product review from me today. Hold on, I'll show you the bag again, the kitties. Get some more light here. Thank you for watching. Till soon, I hope. Goodbye.